Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Oats Upma for babies. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of rolled oats and 1/4 cup of finely chopped vegetables like carrots or peas. Also, have ready a tiny amount of ghee, a pinch of turmeric, and a dash of salt. Always ensure all ingredients are fresh and appropriate for your little one's dietary needs. This simple meal is packed with nutrients. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by lightly roasting the 1/4 cup of rolled oats in a dry pan for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant. Set them aside. In a separate pan, heat a tiny amount of ghee. Add your finely chopped vegetables and sauté them until they are tender, which usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. Next, combine the ingredients. Add the roasted oats to the sautéed vegetables in the pan. Now, carefully pour in 1 cup of water or vegetable broth. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure it's well mixed. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the oats absorb the liquid and become soft. Finally, it's time to serve this delicious and healthy meal. Once the Oats Upma is cooked, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down to a safe, lukewarm temperature for your baby. For younger infants, you might want to mash the upma slightly to ensure it's easy for them to swallow. Serve this nutritious and wholesome meal fresh to your little one. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.